How to fix Instagram Notes music problem. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Notes music problem. First, go to the settings. Scroll down and go to General. Then go to iPhone Storage. Here, tap on Instagram. You need to offload the app in order to get rid of unnecessary data. Tap on Offload, then confirm it. This will fix your problem. But if the problem is still not fixed, go to your profile, then tap on Menu. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Help. Now tap on Report a Problem. Continue with Report Problem without shaking. Then tap on Include and Continue. Here, briefly explain the problem you're facing while using Notes Music feature. Once you're done, send your report. The Instagram team will soon resolve your problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.